When descaling is displayed, you should follow the descaling procedure as soon as you can. Always use DeLonghi Descaler for the best results. If the descaling procedure is interrupted, you will have to start the process again. To start descaling, press the Settings menu button. Scroll to Maintenance and press OK. Scroll to Descale and press OK to begin. Remember to attach the hot water spout. Press OK. Extract the water tank, remove the filter if it is there, and empty the water tank. Pour the 100 ml descaler into the tank, up to the A mark. Then add 1 litre of water up to the B mark and replace the water tank. Press OK. Remove, empty and replace the drip tray and grounds container. Press Next on the display. Place an empty container with a minimum capacity of 2 litres under the hot water spout and coffee spouts, then press OK. The descale program starts. A series of rinses is performed automatically to remove all the scale residues inside the coffee machine. Empty the container used to collect the descaler solution. Extract the water tank, empty, rinse under running water, and fill with fresh water up to the max level and replace. Place the container used to collect the descaler solution back under the hot water spout and outlets and press OK. When the water in the tank has rinsed through, empty the container. Extract the water tank. Repeat the rinsing process by filling the tank again and rinsing through until empty. At the end of the second rinse, remove, empty and replace the drip tray and grounds container. Press OK. Descale complete is displayed. Press OK, then fill the water tank with fresh water and replace. Descaling is now complete.